Oh, you didn't bring it with you. Let's see, let's clean up a mess. Let's clean up a mess, see? Let's clean up the mess, okay? You want to clean up for me? Clean up that rug? Okay, bring it in here. You gonna put it away? Or are you gonna play with it? You silly. Good thing it's just a dish rag. Doesn't matter. You two are so cute. What are you gonna do with it? Hey, Kevin. Hi, Lily. Lily.